Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on the application of Pokemon Go. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about the application of Pokemon Go and you will click. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.